Welcome back. In this video, we'll learn about objects. An object is called an instance of a class. We created this class called car. Now, suppose that you want to create 2022 car, or a Porsche, or a red car, or whatever the attribute is. These cars are called objects from the class car. I need to create a car with 2022 year or 2023. We start by creating the class name. Here is the syntax of object creation. We start with the class name followed by the object name equal to new, and then we start with the class name again. This is the general syntax of creating an object in Java. So I'll follow this syntax to create an object from a car. Starting with the class name. What is the class name? Here it's a car. So I'll start with the car. The object name, I'll name it as red car equal to new keyword. We have used the new keyword along with the constructor of the class to create an object. Constructors are similar to methods and have the same name as the class. In the next video, we'll talk about the constructors. But now focus with me on how to create objects in Java. The class name, the object name equal, and then new keyword, and then we specify the car, the class name, followed by these parentheses. In this way, we've created an object of the class car called red car. Now, if I type red car, I use this object and put the dot operator, I can access the speed, the year, the accelerate, and the brake methods. So these are two methods and these are two attributes. We can use the name of objects along with the dot operator to access members of a class. So for example, if I need to define the speed of the red car to 180 kilometers per hour, and the red car dot year is equal to 2023. So here I am defining these attributes and setting the attributes of the red car to these values. Also, I can call the functions like accelerate, then call the brake method. In this example, we created an object called red car from the class car. We accessed the speed and set it to 180. We accessed the field year and set it to 2023. And we called the method accelerate, then brake. So in this example, it's very helpful, and I want from you to understand well and write it down on your copybook because it's the building block to understand the objects and classes. Now let's test the methods and the attributes. Let's go down, and here the accelerate, I'll print out the method, the new speed, your new speed is, and I'll get the speed attribute. Also, when I call the brake, I need to get the speed. Let's go up, and I'll accelerate 2 times, and then I'll brake. Let me run and see. And here we go. This is the output. So let's explain. Red car speed is initialized to 180. So whenever you turn on the car, your speed will be 180 directly. Then you accelerate. So we increase the speed by 10. Here is 190. Then we accelerate again by 10 the speed. So it becomes to 200. Then we brake, we remove 5, we decelerate by 5 kilometers per hour. So our new or the current speed is 195. This is the example on object.